started on. Are you recording?
Yeah.
Yep.
Alright, this is 1 pound of Tannerite.
Oh my fucking god!
I had to aim a little high.
Oh my god!
It blew the whole thing apart.
Holy shit!
Yeah, they didn't have that.
Oh my god! It blew that thing apart.
That's why I bought a good amount so I could keep some for traps and stuff.
Holy schmoly! Wow. Huh.
And that's the devastation.
Well, I'm glad we shot the living hell out of it before we did that.
I didn't think it was. I figured it would just blow the top off.
Blow the top off. I mean, it blew this thing up. Oh my god!
Were you still recording? Yeah. That was badass.
Wow. I mean, it pulled pegs out.
That's the small one.
Lawrence, one more time. Gonna blow some more stuff up.
1 pound Tannerite, AK-74, 545 by 39. Badass! I don't know where the first one went that I missed, but I put it in the same spot. I don't know. Let me. Oh, I guess we'll go check the.
You can feel the concussion.
Oh yeah, yeah. We'll go
Now,
check the.
If that had been a 1 pound, that would have hit that car.
That, the 2 pound one.
Yeah.
Probably.
Or 2 pound. Yeah. Because as soon as I saw it going like that, I went, oh no.
When we do the 2 pound, we'll just move the cars way back. But the 2 pound one says to stay 100 yards away.
Yeah, that's
30.
25 yards.
Yeah.
So we need to be a lot further than that.
Yeah. It dug it into the ground. Or what? Or did you dig that in?
No, I didn't dig that into the ground.
No?
No, sir.
That shit was way in there.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Like I said, you could feel the concussion.
Yeah, it's badass.
Hey, I really kind of wanted to save this. You think we could put it back together?